What's up everyone, it's Theo here from Market Minds Mastery Academy. We are back with a fresh new video to explore what's going on with the cryptocurrencies today. First on the list, as usual, is the Bitcoin. Currently is down 1.68% based on the yesterday's close, or if you prefer the today's open. On the other hand, the Ethereum gained some momentum over the Bitcoin today. It's only minus 0.68% down, so about 0.5%, give it or take. Then we have Solana. It's pretty much flat. It's trading now at $124. Binance Coin is plus 0.67%. It's trading at 632 on the counter, and XRP is down by minus 1.61%. Regarding the Doge, pretty much the same with Bitcoin, as you can see, and if you compare the trends, they are pretty much moving downwards both, but we're gonna check the price charts and see what happens in regards to both of them, so stay tuned. Let's start with the Bitcoin, and this is the daily time frame. That's the leading time frame for most traders. What we commented yesterday, guys, is that an inside candle printed within the bearish engulfing candlestick, and to be honest, that was something inspiring for me, because I added one more chapter in my trading course about the art of trading the inside candlesticks. If you want to see some tutorials, perhaps to give you some of my insights, some of the techniques, some of the strategies that I use to trade the inside candles, please let me know in the comments below. And also let me know which cryptocurrency you want to see tomorrow in more detail. So back to the Bitcoin, the price today traded well beyond the bearish engulfing candlestick. We see that the volume, it picked up a little bit compared to yesterday, but again, the volume overall declines. Now, this is something you need to learn about the volume and how to interpret volume correctly in your trading. I often see traders, they have this tendency to draw, let's say, the trend line. It's a downward trend line, so the market moves downwards, and then they see decline, they see the volume decline, and they believe that the volume follows the downtrend because it declines. No, when the volume declines, it means the trend is losing momentum. It means there is less interest by the market participants to trade on this predominant direction, the security. In this case, we have to wait if the market will print a bottom pattern, like a double bottom, perhaps somewhere here, or if we're gonna see the non-failure swing low, guys. So for those they don't know what is a non-failure swing low, please let me know in the comments below, and I will make a video to explain. If the price failed to create a new low, then we might gonna look more specific into the volume pattern. Okay, but for now, the first indication we get from the volume is that this market is kind of losing the seller's interest. So in this case, we must wait for the price to show what's going to happen. We cannot blindly focus on the volume or volume profile and just assume that this is going to turn. We need confirmation from the price action. Okay, so, and if you want to become a profitable trader and successful day trader, or even swing trader, you must pay attention to the candlesticks. You must learn price action, guys. Along with the market structure, price action is the king. So let me know your thoughts. What do you believe it's going to happen with the Bitcoin? For those who maybe watch more the fundamentals rather than technicals, you can let us know in the comments below. What do you believe it's going to happen with this one. But for me, as a professional technical analyst and a professional day trader, what I see is that the market declines. There is a bearish sentiment for now. The market is in a downtrend. If after 4.5 hours these daily candlestick will form as it is, we're going to have a very powerful pattern that it's the 3 candle formation, the one I teach in my course and also when I do private coaching with traders. And this is a very strong, actually I'm holding a position on one of the forex currency pairs, the USD Canadian dollar, based on this setup. Okay, so it's a very powerful pattern, and it's worth letting me know if you want to learn how to trade it, because it offers lucrative opportunities and also it has high success ratio. So in this case, if tomorrow the market will follow through and we're going to see downward continuation, the price test is $76,200. All right, so if the price comes all the way down there and it wants to decline further, we have to look the weekly chart for the next support. If you watched my previous video, the $74,000 is what am I focusing the most, to be honest. Also, if you've seen yesterday's video, we explain about this long leg doji candle in the middle of the fair value price of these 3 candles here. So we might gonna have some bullish momentum coming into the market. But as I said, guys, on yesterday's video, the market will anticipate that tomorrow's Fed interest rates announcement. If the Fed, they will keep their interest rates at 4.5%, and simultaneously the market will follow through and it's gonna dump the US dollar, we most likely gonna see a strong bullish upward momentum on the Bitcoin against the US dollar. Next one on the list, it's the Ethereum. What's going on with the Ether? Actually, it's the cryptocurrency that make me the most of the money in general as an investor since 2017, as I recall, and I always have that kind of appreciation for the Ethereum. So on the weekly chart, what we see, the bearish candles, they are getting smaller and smaller. The momentum based on the volume analysis is getting weakened here. So we don't have a reversal price action, so it's a fairly it's pretty soon to talk about major reversals. But if you are investing instead of day trading, you might consider these bearish candles for your starting point to start building up some positions on the Ethereum. Let's check now the daily chart. The candlesticks are trading. It's been a couple of weeks. They are trading within this long bearish candle. We might gonna see the break to the downside, but again, the markets will be anticipating the tomorrow's events from the Fed. So pretty bearish on this one. We have to wait for the fundamentals to show the direction of the Ethereum. If you want to check the hourly time frame, maybe we have traders here, they are doing day trading with the Ethem. The price currently, it sits at an intraday demand zone. Multiple rejections here. We also see a couple of strong bullish candles with strong bullish closes, and this can definitely push the price a little bit upward. Now the market is straight below 1,900 US dollars, and this is a good buying area based on the past for the Ethereum. Guys, let me know what's your opinion about the Ethereum. Do you believe that it has more room to the downside, or do you believe that the support around 1900, 1850. It's gonna hold and it's gonna bounce it off and push it to the upside. Next one, another favorite currency, cryptocurrency for Market Minds Academy, it's the Solana, of course. Why the Solana? Because that also made us a lot of money, not from 2017 obviously, but the last couple of years that was the bread and butter for our Academy's members. By the way, if you want to become one of our Academy's members, let me know in the comments below, or you can visit my website, definitely marketmindsmastery.com. You can find the link on the description. But of course, let me know which cryptocurrency pair you want to see tomorrow. So Solana, before we finish this video, we see that the price is still trading around 120 US dollar. The yesterday's inside candle broke to the downside. The market, the price action on the daily chart didn't close yet, so it's pretty early to talk about confirmation. But even if the candlestick today will close as a bearish candlestick, we must clean up this $112 support. So the support which formed by the previous most recent swing low, it can be the next obstacle if the price breaks below the 120. So keep that in mind. If you are holding positions here and you are leveraged on them, just understand that the price at support, it might experience solid buying pressure and it might gonna change direction. So make sure to move your stop losses around the entries, perhaps look some profits to protect your capital and also to make profit when you are trading and you are in a winning positions. Okay, so the art of taking profits out of the table, it's something you need to get comfortable with. Actually, this is going to be the next podcast for our pioneering profit series, the art of taking profits either from trading or investing. I just came up with this idea. So make sure you subscribe, you like this YouTube video, you subscribe to our channel, and to activate the notification button, because I'm sure you don't want to miss the pioneering profits trading podcast, which is going to be about, the next subject is going to be the one I just explained, the art of taking profits. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know which cryptocurrency pair you want to see tomorrow, guys. I wish you happy trading and I will see you tomorrow.